Benefits of Tiptoe, calf strengthening, exercises. 1. Stronger calf muscles. Tiptoe exercises directly target the gastrocnemius and soleus muscles. Stronger calves help with walking and running power, jumping ability, climbing stairs with ease. 2. Improved balance and stability. Standing or moving on your tiptoes forces your body to stabilize. This helps strengthen ankles, feet muscles, core engagement. Better balance reduces the risk of falls and improves overall coordination. 3. Better ankle strength and mobility. Tiptoe work strengthens the small stabilizing muscles around the ankle joint. Benefits include reduced ankle rolling, better joint control, improved mobility for sports and daily movement. 4. Enhanced foot strength. Your feet work harder when you rise onto your toes. This can help with arch support, foot endurance, reducing foot fatigue. It's especially helpful for people who stand a lot. 5. Improved posture. Tiptoe exercises encourage upright alignment, core activation, controlled movement. This can subtly improve posture over time. 6. Increased lower leg endurance. Holding or repeating tiptoe movements builds muscular endurance, which helps with long walks, hiking, standing for long periods. 7. Better circulation in the lower legs. Calf contractions act like a pump, helping blood move upward. This may support reduced swelling, less heaviness in the legs, better overall circulation. 8. Functional strength for everyday life. Tiptoe strength helps with real-life movements like reaching high shelves, carrying heavy bags, quick directional changes. It's practical strength you feel daily.